Hello and welcome. I'm going to be talking about how alcoholism can be fixed. You know what? We're all here for a reason in this world. And my reason is to help people deal with alcoholism because I went through it and I fixed that issue in my life. And how did I do that? One step at a time. And I know you can because I know that you have a fulfilling life that you're looking forward to. And if you have went through the system, went through the programs that are out there, I know they all have their purpose and they all have a great program in front of them. Now, I created my own program to really dive into why people drink. I truly believe it all comes from our past or influences in our lives. Because I had a lot of influences in my life that really created this alcoholism problem. And for me to say alcoholism, I just say it's a situation that we created. No one else created this in my life. This is how I now move forward in my life to really help others. Because I'm on a mission to help millions of people, yes, millions of people, get over this addiction that can hinder families, can block people from success, can drive people to suicide. I know how it feels from being right at that bottom of that barrel, or as they say, bottom of that bottle. And I'll tell you a little story. I would drink at 10 o'clock at night because I didn't want to show my family because I was ashamed. Or I would start drinking right after work and go until 2 or 3 in the morning and then get up at 6 or 7 o'clock and do it all over again. You know, what filled me and fueled me was the 4 o'clock beer time. And now I know what fuels me now is passion, love, gratitude, and my mission to help other people. Now, the one really thing that I really can take out of all my situation, all my drinking in my life, was taking responsibility. Yes, taking responsibility for my own actions. So that's my one key sort of nugget to give to people, is take responsibility. If you're going to drink, that means you're responsible for drinking. If somebody is irritating you in your life, take responsibility for your situation. Because it's not them that's creating it. We are creating our reality. Because by blaming somebody, that means you're going to be blaming that person for those situations. So, number 2 is stop blaming. Now, those limiting beliefs that, you know what, that's for somebody else. Or there's another one, being ashamed of being an alcoholic. You know what? That's the stigma that people put around alcoholism or being an alcoholic. And that's one thing, is to stand up and say, you know what, I do have an issue in my life, and that happens to be alcohol addiction. So that was number 4, is not to be ashamed. Number 5 is always give gratitude towards people around you. Always give gratitude to everything that you touch, everything you see, everything you smell, using all those senses to give gratitude. Because we all have this sort of feeling of love towards something in our lives. So if you really learned something from this video and you got great nuggets out of this video, share it with somebody. Watch it with somebody. And then give them gratitude for showing you this video. So everybody have a fantastic day and create the life that you've always wanted, you've always desired in your life. And I know you can do it. So have a great day. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.